How to uninstall Forex.com app from your phone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your apps menu. Find the Forex.com app. Once you find the app, tap and hold on the app icon. Now you'll see a little pop-up over here. At the bottom right of your pop-up, you can see the uninstall option. You can simply tap on it. But before uninstalling this app, make sure that your account and all of your data are safe and backed up so that you can use them for future purpose too. Once your data and your account is safe, you can successfully uninstall this app. You can simply tap on this uninstall button, tap on it. It will ask you for the confirmation. If you really want to uninstall this app, you can simply tap on OK. And this app will be successfully uninstalled from your phone. So that's a very easy process to uninstall the Forex.com app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.